Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate with Grafana using API keys and service accounts, detailed guide step by step clearly. To authenticate with Grafana using API keys and service accounts, start by logging into your Grafana instance. Navigate to the configuration menu on the left side panel. Click on API keys to access the API key management section. Select the Add API key button to create a new key. Provide a name for your API key to easily identify its purpose. Choose the appropriate role for your API key from the available options. Roles typically include viewer, editor, and admin. After selecting the role, click the Add button to generate the API key. Make sure to copy the API key immediately, as you won't be able to view it again. Store this key securely, as it grants access to your Grafana instance. Next, if you want to authenticate using a service account, head back to the configuration menu. Select Service Accounts to manage your service accounts. Click on the Add Service Account button. Enter a name and a description for your service account. Assign the necessary permissions based on the intended use of the service account. Once configured, click the Create button to finalize the service account. After creation, you will need to generate a token for the service account. Select the newly created service account and navigate. Click on Generate Token to create a new authentication token. Copy this token and store it securely, as it will be required for API requests. Now you have both an API key and a service account token for authentication. Choose which method suits your needs for making API calls. For API key authentication, include the key in the headers of your HTTP request. Use authorization as the header key and set its value to bearer your _API_KEY. For service account authentication, use the token in a similar manner. Set the header key as authorization and the value as bearer your _token. Make sure to test your API calls to ensure proper authentication. Monitor the responses to confirm successful access to Grafana resources. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.